Home Diaries. Every house has a story.
We're the Zerbeys, and we're architects.
And we redesigned and renovated our house. We kind of had to decide, okay, are we gonna go to grad school or are we gonna buy a house? Because we can't really afford to do both. We decided to buy a house.
The house was built in 1910. It was kind of a workers' craftsman cottage. You know, it's a very small house, small footprint. We had to make it as efficient as possible. Being architects, it's kind of a rite of passage to buy your own home and completely remodel it.
We joke that it's our thesis project.
We didn't have much experience remodeling at all, actually.
We looked things up online, we bought a bunch of different books on how to do things, and we just kind of taught ourselves along the way.
So now we're kind of into the living room. There used to be a big wall here that we took out. One thing that was really cool were the ceiling joists that we exposed when we did demolition. This kind of aqua color is my favorite color on Lauren, and so that's how we picked that door color. And
so I stand in front of the door a lot, just, you know,
yeah.
to make Kyle happy.
It cost more money than we thought. It took more time and energy than we thought.
In essence, we've rebuilt the house over the last 6 years.
And I think at times we did question, did we bite off more than we can chew? The roof part was probably one of the low points of the remodel.
We decided to replace our roof in August, which we did intentionally because that's usually the driest month of the year, hardly ever rains. Of course, by the time we got all the shingles off and we had, you know, our whole attic area exposed, there was rain in the forecast.
We were standing right back here looking up at our house, and you said, "What have we done to our house?" And then you started crying.
That was a moment where it was like, maybe we should have bought a condo.
Yeah, yeah.
When we bought the house, it was just a one-bedroom, and so we wanted to create a second bedroom somehow.
So we decided to make a flex room attached to the main living space, so you can open up these big barn door sliders.
It can be a bedroom, or it can be a home office. For a while, it was kind of a den, and now it's our nursery. It's a joy to live here and to get to kind of experience this every day, not only because we like the space, but because we know how much work and effort went into it.
You know, we thought it would make us better architects, understanding what we're asking other people to do all the time. Now that we've done all that, we do feel like we just have a lot of confidence when tackling a design problem. It was a lot of hard work building the house, but it paid off. We love our house. The house is where we want it. We're very happy, and life is good.